How to download CapCut on a laptop. So to start, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Microsoft Store. If you don't see it here at the bottom part of your desktop screen, what you need to do is to go to your search bar and then search for Microsoft Store. After that, tap on this open option, and then in here we'll have to go to the search bar and then search for CapCut. After that, tap on this one, and then in here, as you can see, it automatically shows us the CapCut app. All we need to do is to tap on this one, and then in here, as you can see, it says installed since I already have the app on my laptop. But if you are new here and you're trying to install the app, it should say here install. All you need to do is to tap on the install option and wait for the app to be downloaded. Once it's done, we'll just have to go back on my desktop screen, and as you can see here, I already have the CapCut app. But if you don't see it here on your desktop screen, what you need to do is to go to your search bar and then search for CapCut. After that, tap on this open option, and then in here you can now use the CapCut app on your laptop. And as you can see here, I have already edited a lot of videos, and if you want to start editing, all you need to do is to tap on this create a project option. So that's how easy you can download CapCut on a laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!